it's your girl Raquel, and I'm back. I'm back with another video. I'm burning up. I am burning up, and I got my heat on 62. Anyway, how y'all doing? Okay, guys, I have my Luxe scent box perfumes for this month. I have two of them. Apparently, one went to my old address in Houston, and then they sent me another one here. I think that was cool. That was really cool. They didn't have to do that. They could have, you know, said, oh, she missed it or she missed out. But, you know, they sent it to the right address. I had changed my address, but I guess nobody noticed it. And when they did, they sent it to a new address. But I also had put my forwarding in. So the one from Houston was forwarded to me. And then I received this one Thursday. So, yeah. And then, of course, we have my wonderful Sipsby tea box. Y'all know how much I love tea. And I done just about went through all of mine these last 5 days, because that's how long I've been feeling just like I look. Call it what you said, you know? So, anyway, let me get into this box. The tea first for all of my tea lovers. And if y'all see me in the same thing again, because you saw my video from yesterday, it's because I did these two videos the same day. While I feel like I can get up, you know, move around, do a video. Talk to my friends, you know. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like. July's teas. And it says, as per the use, made for Raquel. That's just so sweet to me. The first tea, oh, I dropped the card. I'm going to need that. Okay. What's up here? Ginger peach green tea. Definitely need that. Definitely. How many I got? Give me 3. Yes, 4. I'm going to make one of these right now as soon as I'm done recording this video. And this is from Stash Tea. These are the teas we usually have at work. Some bougie, expensive teas. But yeah, this is ginger peach tea. It's not too sweet, not too spicy. This tea is just right. Enticingly lush peach flavor. It's perfect contrast with a sharp, tingy bite of ginger. I'm going to like this. I already know I'm going to like this. Is there any caffeine in it? Natural peach flavor. Oh, ginger root, green tea, natural peach flavor, and matcha. Really? Okay. All right. I can't wait to try this. I'm doing this. I'm drinking this right after this. And it does contain caffeine. So, yes, I'm putting this on as soon as I finish this video. And then I have, oh, this looks good. Oh, this month is really nice. Brewery's Red Berry Fusion. That's what they look like. And this says caffeine free. It has hibiscus, rose hip, apples flavoring, elderberries, raspberries, and strawberries. A delicious infusion of bursting with ripe berry flavors, including raspberries, strawberries, naturally caffeine free. This is the perfect choice for any time of the day. Red berry infusion. Whew. Girl, child, let me tell you. And what is this? This is an Earl Grey tea. Caramel cream Grey Moonlight. Oh, let me find this on the card, y'all. Earl Grey Moonlight. It says it has organic black tea, corn flour, oil of bergamot, and natural flavors. Wow. Medium caffeine with a distinctive citrusy body and a hint of French vanilla. This blend offers a rich and robust Earl Grey experience, lightened and lifted by mellow cream and floral notes. Ooh, now that sounds good. Okay, this whole box is bringing me in. You know, it's bringing me in. It seems like exactly what I need. And the last teas I see here is sweet cinnamon. Okay, Sipsby, did y'all know, you know, I was over here feeling bad or something? Because this, man, this is what the sachet looks like. It says sweet. Come on, you going to pick that up? There you go. It says sweet cinnamon. It says it has Assam, black tea, cinnamon, and cardamom. It says high caffeine, a malty flavor of bold Assam teas, the sweetest of cinnamon, and hints of cardamom balance this brew for a joyous experience. And of course, I have the coupon codes to order any of these that I like. This is a chai tea, the world's finest tea leaves, direct from India's, I can't see that, choicest tea gardens. Oh, that smells good. That smells good through the bag. Now, I don't know which one I want to do, the sweet cinnamon or the ginger. I think I better go with the ginger root because I could really use some ginger right now. Yeah, I'm going to go make me a thing of that ginger tea. But right now, this is I'm going to tell you, this is a high toddy. Never had a high toddy? Call somebody, ask somebody about a hot toddy. Ask somebody from down south, Mississippi, Arkansas, somewhere down there. They can tell you about a hot toddy. Anybody from the country? No, because their grandma showed them, made them one to try to knock out and kill anything they thought they had. Okay, y'all. For my Lux scent box this month, if you don't know what Lux scent box is, it's a monthly perfume subscription. It was another subscription sort of like this around here a few years ago. I don't know if they're still in existence, but this one here is good. I think it's from $9.99, $15.99, or $18.99, something like that. You decide what you want to get every month, and every month you'll make sure you get what you ordered. Let me get both of these open, y'all. Okay, I got the first one open. This is the one that came to Houston and not the replacement one. Oh, they had sent me an extra one. Oh, that's so sweet. And even if they got lost, they were going to replace it. See, that's what I'm talking about. Somebody with businesses that cares about their people that, you know, that spend their money. But, yeah, Luxsb, which is Lux Scent Box. And I have here, what is this card? I guess this is one of the scents that they carry. May not be what I have, so let's see what I have and open them up. As I was saying, if you want to get a new holder every month, I think that's the luxury one, and it's $18, I think, and you'll get a new holder. But if you don't want the new holder, I think that's the one that's $9.99. Don't quote me. Just go to luxsb.com, and it'll all be on that site. Oh, this is Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy Rose. I'm sure I haven't smelled that. Come on, camera. There we go. That's what it is. So now I'm going to start. Oh, don't let this make my headache come back. But I got to smell it. And put it over there. Oh, that smells good. That smells just like a rose. Oh. But this is what it is. You get, how much is in here? It's a month supply. Yeah, I ain't got on my readers and I can't see the writing on this bottle. But you can see, pretty full. It's a month supply. It's supposed to last a month. You guys might can see it on the camera screen. So I'll bring it in so you guys can see if you can see how many milliliters. But this is the size of the bottle. And like I said, you can get a new one of these every month, or you can just get one. Pop it in your purse and this baby go with you, and it's good for them. But this smells good. I want this. I really want this. Viva La Juicy. Viva Juicy. Viva Couture. What did I say the name of it was? I want this. I gotta go put it in my cart. Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy Rose. That smells so good. That's the best rose scent I smelled in a long while. Okay, let's see what this one is. This is the second one. And this one is Shea and Blue, Blueberry Musk. That's what it looks like. Shea and Blue, Blueberry Musk. Now, come on. I'm scared to spray this one after the other one smells so good. Shea and Blue. I've seen that. I think I've seen that. Oh, goodness, that smells good. Oh, that's just a settled, slow. Y'all know I love them. I call them slow smells. That's anything that have amber that's not just loud and right in your face. Just a slow, low. I don't know what to call it. That's just what I call it, okay? And then in my other one, in my other package that they would have been my replacement. And again, thank you guys for thinking of me. I truly appreciate it. It's the same card. And the scents we have in here is, let's see. If it's another rose, I ain't mad. I am too happy about it. Because that smells so good. Or this one. But that rose smells the best. What is it? Oh. Oh, this is one of my favorites. Y'all, I am so happy. I love this. I got it on my dresser now in my bedroom. I absolutely love this. Clinique Happy Heart. I love this scent. This scent, oh, I don't have to spray this because I know what it smells like. I have the huge bottle of it and I got a cart because it was half full to replace it. This smells so good to me and it lasts so long all day. This is a scent I know I love, but this Rose, Viva La Juicy Rose, I gotta get it. But this Clinique Happy Heart, if y'all haven't smelled it, just stop and smell it. Just stop in a Ulta and smell it. I like it. I like it. Okay, guys, this is the end of this video. Thank y'all for making me feel better, even though y'all ain't even here. Just making a video, knowing I'm talking to y'all, y'all gonna be seeing it in just a few hours. Really making me feel a lot better. Okay, guys, see you real soon. Everybody stay safe, stay blessed, and I will see you